Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect a Razer Kaira to PC. Let's go. Let's take a look at the connection options. Wireless via Type-C dongle or Bluetooth. If your computer supports Type-C, connect the Type-C dongle to your computer. Turn on the parent mode on your headset. If you want to connect via Bluetooth, then open the settings, devices, Bluetooth. Add Bluetooth or other device. Turn on the parent mode on your Razer Kaira. Select your Razer Kaira. If your computer does not have Bluetooth support, then you will need a Bluetooth adapter. That's it. Now you know how to connect a Razer Kaira to PC. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.